Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are exploring one of the most exciting updates in the design world, Figma AI auto-generated layouts. If you ever felt stuck staring at a blank page or wished your ideas could come to a little faster, this feature is a game changer. I'll walk you through how to prompt Figma AI effectively, how to define its generated layouts, and how to turn those AI created concepts into polished production ready design. By the end of this video, you will understand how to use Figma AI to boost your creativity and speed up your entire design workflow. So this is the website of the Figma. Right now I am at Figma AI. Okay, so this is the URL figma.com/ai. If you I have already given this website link in the description. You can just simply click on that link available in the description and you will reach to on this website. This is overall the layout of this website and you can see this. So first of all, here we are going to need to create an account at Figma. So I will just click on the get started for free. So here I will continue with my Google account. I will connect my Google account first. Okay, so I'll select here and give permission to access my Google account so that it can fetch all of my basic details in just a few seconds. So as you can see that it has successfully fetched the details of our Gmail account, and now it will take us to the dashboard. Okay, so let's fill in the details here, and we want for the work purposes, for the design purposes. I'll select continue. For the freelance, it's just me. Okay, here you can add your team members. So in this section you can add the emails of your team members. So for now I'm going to skip this option. Okay, so we are going to use this Figma for the first time, so I will just select continue button here, and there are three plans here. First one is the starter one and the second one is professional and the organizational. Okay, so all of the packages have different prices, but the starter package comes at a free cost, so we are going with the starter package first. Okay, select continue, and we are going to do design layout for the website. So I'll just click continue for the website, or how would you want to make your site. So for now I'm going to let's go over describe an area. So okay, finish it. So now it will take us to the prompt section where we can just write the text prompt and it will convert our idea into reality. Okay, so we are going to make design layouts, auto design layouts. So here we will write design layouts for a website. So here we will write minimalistic stick layouts for a website based on digital marketing. So that's the prompt that we have written, and after that we just select or hit the enter button and it will start working on it. As you can see that on the left side it has started thinking on our idea, and then now it will generate some uh, design layouts and you can preview them on this right side. Okay, so let's wait for a few seconds. Meanwhile it's working on the prompt and it will create some auto design layouts. So finally here you can see that it has generated a design layout for us with just with the help of a single prompt. As you can see that the quality of this layout here, each and everything is mentioned for our digital marketing based agency. So if you want to make any of the changes, you just need to click on this button. Okay, enable this button and then you can just make any kind of changes that you want to do, like you can change this header settings as well as the text font colors. Also you can add this header, and if you can want to change this photo, you can do each and everything with the help of this tool. So that was all about Figma, how you can use it to generate auto design layouts for your website application. Each and everything you can do with this tool. So I will catch you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.